Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try out this palette. I got this at TJ Maxx. It was $5.99 and I've been wanting this palette when it came out. I just never got around to getting it, and then I thought I lost out on this palette. I got her first palette and I really liked it, so that's why I wanted to get my hands on the second one. I just thought that I missed out on it, but I saw it at TJ Maxx. It was really affordable. I think it was $5.99. So I decided to get it and I wanted to test it out and use it today. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette and if I would recommend it, please keep on watching. Okay, we're using this palette today. I got this at TJ Maxx for $5.99 and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I want to do. So we're just gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to, oh, that's very pigmented. Okay, so we're just gonna work this into the upper crease. I was gonna use another transition shade from one of my other palettes or just a bronzer, but I think I just want to try using everything in here first. And I'm not doing anything crazy. I just want to see how these shadows perform and blend out. You know, the usual stuff. The colors in here are really nice. So my eyelid over here is peeling and it's really dry. This eye is fine. So hopefully that doesn't ruin this look. So I think I want to go in with this color because I haven't used a color like this in a while. And I'm really curious to see how this is going to go on. So let's put this here. So far, no fallout. I'm going to take a little bit of this P. Louise base and I'm just going to add this right here. I'm not doing a cut crease, I just want to add that yellow to this portion right here. So see, I'm not being very precise. I'm going to try this yellow right here and I just want to pack this on. Going on really well. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna dust that off so it doesn't set on my face. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and I'm just going to work that right here. Okay, taking more of that yellow, I'm just going to tap this right here just to blend. I'm going to take a little bit more of that burgundy-ish tone. Going back in with this teal, I'm just going to add it right here. And just define a little bit more up here. Taking that green, I'm going to bring it halfway on the lower lash line. Clean up that same brush. I'm going to go in with this burgundy tone and I'm just going to bring that right here. Going back in with that yellow, I'm just going to add that right here and just ever so slightly bring it down here, just so it connects. Taking a little bit of NYX Glitter Primer, I'm just going to add it right here. I'm going to go in with this color and just stamp that right here. I'm just gonna add a very small amount of that shimmer tone into the yellow. I think I'm gonna go in with this teal shade from LA Girl. This is in Fresh. I'm gonna go in with some Trophy Wipe highlighter while my lashes are drying. And I'm just going to add a little bit right here. I'm also going to add a small amount right here and on my nose. For a blush, I'm going to use this Ciate Burnt Marble Light Blush. I'll just add this on the apples of my cheek. Now I'm adding my Salon Perfects in 614. Okay, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I wanted to do something kind of just simple, nothing too overpowering, so I roughly sketched out my lips with Morphe's Sweet Tea lip liner, and then I went in with MAC's Freckle Tone lipstick. Then I used the same blush I put on my cheeks, which is the Ciate Marbled Light and Burnt, and I just tapped that all over my lips to get this really nice flush of a color. But overall, I like the way everything turned out. The palette I thought was really good. The shadows blended out really well. There was a bit of kickback, but it wasn't anything too crazy. I noticed with the colors and the kickback, I was having more kickback with the lighter shades. So the yellow, I got kickback, but with this color and this color, I didn't have any at all. And everything just blended in really well. So I would 100% recommend this palette. If you see it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I would highly recommend getting this. The shadows just blended out really well and everything just went on really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hopefully really short, quick mini review tutorial video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.